Is April 4th, and my baby will gonna cook menudo. Let's check it out. Hey, handsome, what are you doing? Oh, you just mix all the ingredients like the garlic and what? Come on, let me see it. Let's check it out, baby. But anyhow, baby wants to impress me. We'll see. He's trying to impress me. Let's see what this is all about. And of course, my job is to I don't know. What should do, sweetheart? Is this for real, huh? Ted. Totoo ba yan? So, what are you doing? You're cooking, I know. But what do you do with the garlic?
First, saute the garlic.
Saute the garlic with the onion?
Yep.
And then? So it should be golden brown, right?
Not really.
Why?
Not really golden brown. Yeah, something like that. Slice onion.
Oh, cool. Awesome. So, Chef Mark. Ano lasa, babe? I can't wait. Oh, I'm starving. Oh God, gutom na ako. Patuloy mo nga, babe, kung anong lasa. Baka hindi masarap eh. Sarap. Dali-dali lang naman pala yan. Pakadali lang pala. Hindi lang pala yun. Do you think I can forget my name when once it's done? Ha, babe?
Of course.
Or oh, baka kailangan mo ng YouTube. Are you sure? Hindi mo kailangan ng YouTube para to watch and to follow instructions? Huh?
Graduate ko ng cooking school.
Wow, saan? CCA? Bason CCA? Wow, big time.
Sabi mo sa ito, di ba?
Okay, what happened next? You put all the mix that you did, right? The pork and liver.
No.
Only pork.
Yep.
Impressive. I can do that. So simple. What is that with the other thing? This is what we call what?
You call this?
What one?
The
what? Oh,
carrots.
the carrots and the potato. Alright. So, what's that? The hot dog and what's that color? Tomato sauce.
Yep.
Oh, Make sure masarap yun ha.
Bahala na.
James will love it. Let me check. Tigim.
Yeah. Surprise.
So it's done daw, sabi. Tapos na. Let's just check. That's the ending of the bedtime story. This is the finished product. Let's check. Oh my god. Let's check. OMG! Oh, baby. Sarap. Ito na, kain na tayo. Sarap-sarap po. Tastes like awesome. Babe, it's cool. It's good. It's good. Chef.